I love rain. I start walking as the first drops find the brim of my hood. The world hushes under a silver veil. Every step sounds like a secret. In the city, neon bleeds into puddles. Tires hiss. Distant thunder rolls like a bass drum under the streets. I don't rush. I match my breathing to the rain. Inhale, exhale, heel toe. A clap of thunder. Windows flicker. I grin. There's a fierce kind of peace in letting the sky write the soundtrack. I leave concrete for a forest path. Leaves clap overhead. The soil releases that warm, earthy scent. Petrichor. My jacket patters. My thoughts thin out. There's only rhythm. On a ridge, wind folds the rain sideways. Lightning maps the clouds in one bright breath. I feel small. And that feels perfect. I move steady, respectful, alive. Down by the coast, the sea and the storm argue in long, low roars. Foam lifts, ghouls tuck in. My steps trace the wetline, where land and water shake hands. Across open fields, a shepherd guides a quiet line of wool and patience. Bells chime soft. Rain beads on wool like pearls. We nod in passing, two travelers under the same weather, letting the storm do the talking. In a narrow alley of an old village, roofs spill little waterfalls into gutters. Shoes squeak. Laughter echoes once. The rain folds everything back into calm. High past the tree line, the trail becomes a string of mirrors. Each puddle keeps a private sky. I step around, sometimes through. Ripples rewrite the clouds. Night leans in. Street lights, fireflies, lightning, breath, pulse, pause, pulse. The rain keeps time. I keep walking, not to get anywhere, but to listen longer. If you can, let the storm find you. Leave your hurry at the door. Step out, slow down, and let the rain carry the weight you don't need. Hear that? That's the world, washing itself clean.